We are in Celaque National Park and we've just started on our trek towards the summit of Cerro Las Minas, or is it called something else? Anyway, it doesn't matter. The highest point in Honduras. We came here on a tuk-tuk. He saved us some good way past the first entrance. We had to pay quite an expensive entry fee, 120 lempiras each for the entry fee, plus 100 lempiras each for a camping fee. But anyway, it's beautiful around here. We are in a lovely forest. Apparently there are lots of interesting creatures living in here, including things like jaguars and pumas. Let's see if we'll be lucky enough to spot any, even though I doubt it. Those wild cats, unlike the urban ones, aren't known of being particularly bold. Here there is a watchtower. Maybe we could go up for some pictures. What do you think, Sophie? Gaining some elevation slowly. Going a little down here again to a stream crossing. The mosses are all around us. Luckily we've got some coils with us.
Oh, nice.
A little bit of sunshine. Pretty strange over here, that fern or whatever plant that is, it's not a fern really, but whatever it is keeps swinging back and forth. At first we just think that something jumped off it, but it keeps going and going. That's quite strange.
It's high.
It's high also, maybe something to do with the wind, some kind of peculiar whirlwind. That's an interesting part of the trail now. Mm-hmm.
What is that? The person you're coming
We've made it to the first camping ground. There is no water around here within any reasonable vicinity.
The back.
The mosquitoes are all around us. I'm using 2 coils to keep them away.
Just heard it.
And we've climbed about 500 meters so far, and we have about 6 to climb yet and 2.5 kilometers of distance to cover to the next camp.
I think it took us about 3 hours.
It took us maybe about 3 hours to here, yeah. The slow, easy, nice tempo.
The way we like it.
The way we like it. And the question is water. We have a couple of positive springs on the map along the way, so there is a chance we may be camping at one of them if there is any suitable ground. Otherwise, we'll just have to fill up all bottles we have, including the pot itself for cooking tonight, and just make it to the second camp and be economic with it.
Only one coffee.
I'm having one right now.
And then a cup of tea.
A cup of tea tonight. If there is
Job I hardly drink.
Sophie's preparing her famous bush lunch.
Do you want to see? From scratch, I have just made noodles.
And up we go again. And to give me a dolphin.
Look what we've just
Some plant.
It's a partner.
A magical forest. Almost at the camp. Made it to the camp in the sunshine instead of the fog you would normally expect over here. There is a toilet, yeah, there are all sorts, tables. We have the whole place to ourselves. We're going to get very comfy. Making a fire is allowed, so we may as well. There is firewood, there are tents. All there is water over here. It was quite an effort carrying up full supplies, but we had to play safe. This is a fern tree over here. You see, Sophie, fern tree. Isn't it amazing? And then our camp, our tent is pitched.
Our table set up.
Our mossy coils are burning. And Sophie is going to make a nice cup of tea.
Nice cup of chai.
Chai. morning. The time is 20 to 7 a.m. and we've just started on our way towards the top of Honduras' highest mountain. As usual, we were planning to start much earlier, but we oversnoozed. It is a bit mistier today than yesterday. Quite magical ambience around here. We have quite a long way to go up and all the way down, nearly 13 kilometers in total, but yeah, it's certainly enjoyable. So much easier for you to fit than me.
Shall I go this way, this way, this way? Of course. Babe.
We are right by the foot of the summit, a last little slope, some 500 meters away, perhaps even less, like 300, and we'll be stepping on the summit of Honduras. The peak seems to be protruding out of the cloud cover, yeah. We're getting a bit sunshine over here.
And a bit of sunshine.
Here we are. We made it to the highest point in Honduras. Congratulations to ourselves. I've seen better views. There isn't too much of a view. There is a viewpoint down there. Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
It's beautiful nevertheless.